friends, welcome back. So today I am going to unbox Bosch Dishwasher. So let's remove this box. This is the reset button. This is the eco button, 50 degree. This is auto, 45 to 65 degree. Insistive, kadai, 70 degree. Express, sparkle, 65 degree. Pre-rinse, button. It has favorite button. Or here you can see Bosch badging. This is start in hour button, remote start button. This is extra dry. This button is half load, and this is Vario Eco, and this is the start button. And this is a display where suppose when you when you want the dishwasher to clean at 2 p.m. then it will show that 2 p.m. it will start at 2 p.m. So let's open this. The model number is SMS 6ITI001. And here these are some features written over here. And the program: Eco 50 degree, low energy consumption water for normally soiled mixed load of dishes. Auto 45 to 65 degree, sensor controlled automatic wash for normally soiled mixed load such as pots, plates, cups, glasses. Intensive kadai, 70 degree, extra powerful wash for heavily soiled dishes and cookware such as kadai, pots and pans. Express sparkle, 65 degree, clean and dry in 59 minutes for normally soiled dishes and mixed load. Pre-rinse dishes when not washed immediately. Favorite, save frequently used favorite program, and settings for easy access. In this, start an hour, delay the program, set time to suit your time schedule. And remote start, enable this to control and monitor your dishwasher from your mobile device remotely. So you need to download an app of Bosch, then you can control your dishwasher from your device. Extra dry, improved drying performance, half load, idle for less than a full load, will save energy, water or time. Vario Eco saves energy and water. And in start an hour, when you can schedule your time schedule. Suppose 2 p.m. then this will start washing at 2 p.m. Or here you can keep your detergent over here, so the detergent will wash the dishes. And this is 16 ampere plug. Let's keep it aside. And this is a basket in which you can keep small utensils like spoons. Let's remove this. Let's take it. And this is a pipe to flow water. Let's keep it aside. And in this you keep your plates and other big utensils, and you can, it is adjustable. You can do like this, and you can keep like this. Same in this one, keeping something like this. Same in these both. And you can keep, there is one more over here. You can keep more utensils over here. Let's close this. Here you have an outlet, and the manufacturing date is June 2021. Here you can see the model number. So that's all for today, friends. We'll meet you in other videos. Till then, bye bye. And yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye friends. Thank you.